Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today I am going to be unboxing the Summer 2021 Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest subscription box. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all know how I get about my Goldmine CoCo. Don't mind me. If you have not already signed up for a Goldmine CoCo subscription, whether it's a treasure chest or the pay and sub, I'll link my latest unboxings up here. If you haven't already signed up, you need to go get that done like yesterday. But if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so the first item in the box is this notepad. Again, well, let me go over the fact that this box is self-care themed. And the first item we have is a notepad that says prioritizing self. If it allows me to get in here, there we go. It is a notepad, says prioritizing self, week of, and it says self-care for the week, so you can list out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and it has our Monday through Sunday columns. Down here we have a task list, and it says tasks to delegate. Down at the bottom it says note to self, self-care isn't selfish. So again, this is a notepad, y'all. There are a lot of sheets on here, and they are super thick. You hear that. So this is the prioritizing self notepad. The next item, we have some journaling cards, y'all. Y'all know I haven't always been the biggest fan of journaling cards. For the longest, they haven't served a purpose for me. They do look cute in your planner, though. So we have self-care, and y'all, these are the Super Luxe Soft Touch material. We've got self-care. We've got love yourself. It's okay. I will do what brings me joy. Be who you were meant to be, and work on yourself. So we got 6 journaling cards this month, this quarter. Next, y'all, people have been in that Goldmine CoCo group hollering and screaming about washi. From time to time, you'll find some washi in a Goldmine CoCo box, but apparently it wasn't enough. Like, people were really fussing about washi. So we got plenty. Let me go ahead and get this plastic off of here so y'all can see what this washi looks like. So we got 8 rolls of washi. Let's start with this one. We have the multicolored hearts. We have the self-care isn't selfish. We have the me time, take it easy, recharge, rest easy, self-care, good vibes, and it just goes on. And then this one just says good vibes only. And then this second stack, we have our ladies with a blue background. And then we've got some florals. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all, that's much prettier rolled out. Oh my goodness, I think that's my favorite. And then we have another roll of florals. And then we have some clip art, I should say. We've got headphones, set of dumbbells, popcorn, makeup, sleep mask, water, candle, bathtub, Bible, plant, shoes, soap, phone, books, phone. Okay, that's when it starts repeating. Okay, cool. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls of washi in this quarters box. What do y'all think about this washi? What are we thinking? This is definitely my favorite. Thank you, Felicia. I'm gonna have to get an additional roll of that one. If I don't use any of this washi, I'm definitely gonna use that one for sure. So let's go ahead and get this rolled up. So that was the washi. Next item in the box, we got a cover for the Goldmine CoCo daily planners. I don't use my daily planner because I need a catch-all. I have to have everything in one planner. So I use my A5. Ooh, so I'm probably not gonna keep these covers, but they're super cute, y'all. So this is the back and front cover to snap onto your daily Goldmine CoCo planner. The next item, y'all, is the part you've been waiting for. The stickers. Y'all, I buy stickers pretty much every 2 weeks from Goldmine CoCo or every large release, and you'd think I'd be stickered out. No, I look forward to I look forward to my treasure chest and my paint box stickers. So as you can see, we have a new look this month. Felicia is now going with this cover card. I ain't mad at it. I love it. Love what she's doing. And it's the self-care planner sticker pack. Let's get this open so we can go through these pages. We got self-care isn't selfish. Make yourself a priority. Fill your heart with self-love. Be comfortable with growth. Take a few deep breaths. Focus on being stronger and healthier. Now this is a clear glossy sheet. The rest of them are paper. This is clear gloss. Work on your happiness. Fix what can be fixed. Washi. Get yourself together. So we've got some scripts, boxes, hydrate stickers, hydrate trackers, the works. Self-care is an investment. And then we have our dolls in paper. We have the light brown and we have the brown. So how many pages was that? I lost track. I always do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got a couple more sheets this month. We typically get about 10 sticker sheets in our sub boxes. So this is these are the stickers in this month's box. This quarters box. I keep saying this month's box, like this is a quarterly box, y'all. Don't be looking for another Goldmine CoCo video from me next month, because y'all gonna be, it will be for naught. So y'all, we got paper, and baby girl, she was ready for some papers and some acetates, because that's the type of things we like. So this is a very healthy stack. Let's go ahead and go through this. So we have the acetate with our hearts. Cute, cute, cute. And then we have cardstock. It is double-sided with the florals that I love. Next we have this blueprint cardstock. Then we have our rainbows cardstock. Then we have this abstract art print. This is also cardstock. These florals. Another abstract print. And then we've got our dots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages of cardstock and a sheet of acetate. 8 paper sheets in this month, in this quarters box. So y'all, this is the Q3 Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest sub box. It is titled Self-Care. If you enjoyed this, please like it, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.